Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate cybersecurity compliance with ComplyAdvantage, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to automate cybersecurity compliance using ComplyAdvantage. First, start by creating an account on the ComplyAdvantage website. Once your account is set up, log into the platform. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various options. Select the Compliance module to begin configuring your settings. Next, choose the specific regulations relevant to your organization. ComplyAdvantage supports multiple regulations, including GDPR, PCI DSS, and HIPAA. After selecting the regulations, set up the risk assessment parameters. Input the necessary data points that will inform your risk calculations. This step ensures that the compliance processes align with your organization's unique needs. Once the data is entered, proceed to configure the monitoring settings. Here, you will establish how often to conduct compliance checks. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly assessments based on your preference. Next, integrate your existing systems with ComplyAdvantage. This may include linking it to your HR, CRM, or financial systems. Integration allows for real-time data sharing, which is vital for compliance. After integration, set up alerts for compliance violations. Ensure notifications are directed to the appropriate team members. This proactive approach will help address issues before they escalate. Now, customize your reporting features to fit your organization's requirements. Choose the frequency and format of the compliance reports you wish to generate. Finally, review and finalize your automation settings. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save button. Congratulations, you've successfully automated your cybersecurity compliance with ComplyAdvantage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.